Morning, this is John from Two Doves Bees and Gardens, and today I want to go through making some comfrey tea. If you've been on the internet and watched a lot of the homesteading YouTubers, you probably have heard about comfrey. We've got a lot of comfrey plants. There's two big comfrey plants right here. We tend to put the comfrey around our fruit trees. We have some around the fig back over on this side over here. These are elderberry here. We've got a serviceberry back over on the other side of the yard, and a persimmon back over on the other side of the yard, and they all have comfrey by them. So this stuff grows like a weed, and I needed to kind of clean out this patch anyway. So I wanted to try and make some comfrey tea, and I'm going to do some testing on it. I want to see what's in it, if it's actually got nitrogen, if it's got any potassium, anything that I can actually test for using a simple test kit. And I'll bring you along with me, and we'll see what we get out of it. Well, I'm gonna start by putting on some gloves. It's quite warm out here today. We're just a little north and east of Dallas, Texas, and it's probably about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or somewhere around 32, 33 degrees Celsius. So it's hot and sweaty work out here today. It was almost 90 degrees when we woke up this morning. So it's been warm around here, 100 degrees most days. But anyway, I'm gonna put on some gloves, and I'm gonna pull some of this comfrey out and put it in the bucket, and then we'll make some comfrey tea. Comfrey is quite a hardy plant. I'm going to harvest some of the leaves from the comfrey. I think I'll just stick it in the bucket for now, and we'll get around to trimming it up. We just want the leaves for our tea. We'll put the stems and any remaining flowers we'll stick into the compost. I want to get enough to fill this bucket with leaves, and then we'll put some water on it. We'll let it sit for a few weeks. Besides comfrey tea, comfrey is also good for feeding the animals. We feed it to our chickens. And you can also make a comfrey salve, which you can use for pain relief. Well, I got my bucket of comfrey leaves, a couple of flower stems that were in there. And the last step for today is to add some water and put a lid on it. And we'll leave this for probably 4 weeks, come back to it, and then we'll do some testing. Have you tried making comfrey tea? Have you used it in your garden? Let us know down below in the comments. Got our label, comfrey tea, July 4th, 2022. We'll put this up here next to my workshop, and we'll come back and check on it next month.